Hello everyone, welcome all you for the next session of Anusuravi Adhyaya. In this session, we will be completing the Aushadha Varga, which we have started in the last session. So here we will be mainly dealing with Aushadhas, which are commonly found in our kitchen. But it is also having, along with the food quality, it is also having some medicinal quality also. So we have studied the qualities of lavana or salt in the previous class. Now we will be continuing with the other outside of things which are being commonly seen in our anna or in our kitchen activities. So the first one in Aushadha is Haritaki. Haritaki is a very common thing. You might be heard about the drug called Triphala, and Haritaki is one ingredient among the Triphala. So Haritaki is having a lot of properties. Let's see that one by one. So it is astringent or kashaya rasa and madhura in the end of digestion. That means in vipaka it is coming as madhura and in rasa it is kashaya. So this is a very controversial thing. Kashaya rasa dravya is having madhura vipaka. So you might be seeing that usually kashaya guna dravya should have katu vipaka, but haritaki is the exception. It is having madhura vipaka in it, and it is ruksha. It causes dryness in the body. And if you talk about the rasa of haritaki, it is devoid of lavana, means it possesses all the rasas other than lavana. Means in shat rasa other than lavana, if you take all other five rasas that is present in haritaki, okay, it is very easy to digest. It increases your appetite, it helps in digestion, improves intelligence, best to maintain the youth. Rasayana properties there: hot in potency, Ushna Virya, it is laxative, bestow long life or Ayu Dirghayu Prada, strengthens the mind and sense organs, cures leprosy and other skin diseases, discoloration, disorder of voice, chronic intermittent fever or Vishamajjara, it is very helpful. Diseases of the head, it is helpful. Eyes, anemia, heart diseases, jaundice, disease of duodenum, constipation, dropsy, diarrhea. There are many diseases which Haritaki has effect on it. So that is why this is considered one of the best drugs in your Ayurvedic treatises. And it also at the end it also helps in loss of taste or anorexia also, and many other diseases arising from the aggravation of kapha and vata. In all these drugs, Haritaki helps to play a major role in treating all these things. That is why it is considered as one Rasayana Vaidya also. Best Rasayana Dravyas is Triphala, and Haritaki is one among them. Okay. Continuing with other two dravyas of Triphala, one is Amlaka or your Indian gooseberry, Amla, and third one is Aksha, Aksha or Vibhitaki. Okay, it's a synonym of Vibhitaki is Aksha. Here they say that Tadut Amlakam Shita Amlam Pitta Kapapakam. So same benefits whatever is told in Haritaki is present in Amlaki also. But in here in Amlaki we have Shita Virya, whereas Haritaki was Ushna Virya. And here in Amlaki it classifies Pitta and Kapha, whereas in Haritaki we were having Kapha and Vata. Okay. And the same way Katupake Himam Keshyam Akshamishascha Tadgunaha. In Vibhitaki also has almost all the properties as that of Haritaki and Amlaki. But here the Vipaka is Katu. There it was Madhura Vipaka, here it is Katu Vipaka. And here also Shitavirya. This is good for hair and possesses similar to that of Haritaki but slightly less in degree. So in the successive order, Haritaki is the best one or topmost one. Then comes Amlaki and then comes Vibhitaki. Okay. So this is the Triphala what is being told. So let's see what is the benefit of Triphala. Iyam Rasayana Varam means the best Rasayana Dravya or best aphrodisiac Dravya or best thing that can cause rejuvenation in you is Triphala. And Akshemapaham Ropanam Tattvak Gataha Kledamedopaham Kaphas Srajidam. So these all things it has the quality, it is best rejuvenated drug, it cures Aksha Amayam, all the eye disorders, it heals your wounds or ropana it does. Tuggatam, it cures your skin diseases. Cledanam, it does a good amount of moisture in your body. Medha kapha paham, it reduces your medha or obesity and diabetic also. Okay, prameha it reduces and medha also. Medha, meha, kapha, asrijitam. It conquers all the three things. One is medha, which is obesity. Next is prameha, and third one is kapha. And asrik, last one is asrik, blood. in all conditions Triphala can be used. Okay, so this is the benefit of Triphala. Now going ahead with that, we have two other dravyas which are commonly used in our food also. One is Trijataka, another is Chaturjataka. Sakesaram Chaturjagatam, Tok Patraelam Trijatakam. So these three drugs, Tok, cinnamon, Patra, cinnamon leaf, and Ela, cardamom. These three are considered together as Trijataka. And if you add Kesara or Naga Kesara to it, it is called as Chaturjataka. Okay. The benefit of this is that it is aggravates the Pitta and it is Tikshna in nature, Ushna Virya, it causes Rukshada and improves taste and hunger. This is the good benefits of Trijataka and Chaturjataka. So when you only take these three drugs together, it is called as Trijataka. When you add this fourth one to it, it is called as Chaturjataka. And these are the benefit of both the mixtures. Both of Trijataka and Chaturjataka, these are the benefits. Okay. Next one is Maricha. Maricha is a very important drug of Ayurveda. So it is called as pepper or black pepper. You may be knowing usually used in the common kitchen activities. So Rase Pake Chakatukam Kafaknam Maricham Laguhu. So the benefit of Maricha is that it is both in taste and in Vipaka it is pungent or katu, and it mitigates the kapha, it reduces the kapha, and it is easily digestible. It is very quick to digest and improves your digestion also. This is the benefit of Maricha. Next is Pippali. Pippali is long pepper. It aggravates kapha in green state, means in raw state or in dry state, not in wet state, means freshly harvested pepper will long pepper will aggravate kapha. It is sweet in taste, Shita Virya, and it is not easily digestible, or it is anxious, Nigdhata is there. But when it become dry, when it is dried in sun and used it is exactly opposite to all these property. It is aphrodisiac, pungent in taste or katurasa. It is sweet vipaka or madhura vipaka, mitigates vata and kapha, useful in asthma, cough, and acts as a laxative. Other than that, long pepper should not be used in excess. We have to understand that if even though having lots of benefit, it is not advised to use for a long period of time. If you want to use it, you have to use it only by a theory called Vardhamana Pippali Prayoga, which is being told in the Rasayana Adhyaya. There they had told that how to use this Pippali for a long period of time. Other than that, if you use this Pippali for a long time in duration, it can cause severe burning sensation and other complications. So it should not be used. Okay? The last one among this is Nagara. Now we were talking about Triphala earlier. Now after that we talked about Trijataka later. Now we are going to the third terminology, which is called as Trikatu. In that Trikatu we have three drugs. One is Maricha, second one is Pippali, and the third one is Nagara. Now this Nagara has a benefit like it increases the hunger, it is aphrodisiac, water absorbent, it is good for heart, it relieves constipation, and many other properties are there. It is Madhura Virya Yukta and Ushna Virya Yukta and Madhura Vipaka, and the main thing is it mitigates Kapha and Vata. So these three drugs are called as Trikatu. Okay, so that was Triphala, Haritaki, Vibhitaki, and Amlaki, and here this is called as Trikatu. Okay, so three pungent items. So this is mainly this Trikatu used in mainly improve your digestion, removal of ama and other uh, body elements which are caused by vata and kapha. Okay. Now this is Nagara. Nagara is ginger or dry ginger. There is another form of thing called as Ardraka. Ardraka is the wet ginger or the raw harvested ginger. Okay. So the wet harvested ginger is like uh, there is nothing much to say about it. Tadut Ardraka Mukta. The wet one is called as Ardraka. Almost same quality is there, but in a lighter form. So later they are talking about Trikatu in general. So Trikatu is, as I told you, Pippali, Maricha, and Shundi, or what is it, Nagara is called as Trikatu. So they are mainly useful in obesity. They are used in asthma. They are used in dyspnea, cough. They are used in filariasis, chronic nasal catheters or problem obstructions. They are used. So this is a very multi-use drug which is called as Trikatu, which is equivalent to that of Triphala, but is exactly opposite in nature. Very Tikshna, very sharp, very pungent in nature, and highly effective drugs, combination of drugs. Okay. Other than that, there are 2 or 3 more drugs we have to use. One is Chavyaka, then Pilimula, and there is Chitraka. So other than Tripatu, these all are also having very pungent nature drugs. So Chavyaka, which is called as Piper Chava, and Pipilimula, it's called as long pepper root. We studied Pipili, the root of that is called as Pipilimula. This all possesses similar quality to that of maricha or black pepper, okay, but in a lesser degree, not that much sharp as that of maricha, but in a lesser degree. But still, they have almost same quality that of maricha. Chitraka Agnisamam, but Chitraka is different. It is equivalent to that of a Agni, or it is really similar to that of a fire. It is very heavy, very strong, and very sharp in nature. Pake Shofar Shah Krimi Kushtaham. So the benefit of it, it increases the paka digestion, it removes the shofa, it removes the arshas, it is good for krimi, it is kushtaham, it reduces the skin disease also. So these two are very mild drugs, but this is a very strong drug. Okay, all are having Ushnavirya Dravyas. Now there are set of 5 drugs. We were talking about 3 drugs, which is we talked about Skripala, we talked about Trijataka, we talked about Trikatu. Now we are talking about the set of 5 drugs. So the first one is Panchapola. Panchapola is manufactured by administration of Pippali, Pippalimula, Chavya, Chitraka, and Nagara. When these 5 drugs are taken together, it is called as Panchakola. The benefit of Panchakola is that it removes the abdominal tumor, it helps in disease of spleen, enlargement of abdomen, distension or colic pain, best to improve the hunger and digestion. They are called as Panchakola. Okay, so these drugs you already studied, Pipali, Pipalimula, Chavya, but the mixture is different. We have taken 3 mixtures, where we are taking 5 different drugs from that. Now some other mixtures of 5 are Mahat Panchamula. Mahat Panchamula include drugs called as Bilva, Kashmirya, Tarari, Patala, and Tintuka. They are together known as Mahat Panchamula. It is having Kashaya and Tiktarasa and Ushna Virya and mitigate Kapha and Anila. In the same way, there are something called as Hraswa Panchamula, which is made by Brahati, Kandagari, Shalaparni, Krishnaparni, and Gokshura. It is known as Hraswa Panchamula. It is sweet in taste, or Madhura Rasa and Madhura Vipaka. Neither cold or nor Ushna, nor Shita, na Adi Ushna Virya, and it mitigates all the 3 doshas. It is Laghu in nature, and Mahat Panchamula constitutes Dashamula. This Hraswa Panchamula plus this Mahat Panchamula, it forms a combination called as Dashamula, or 10 roots. This is 5 roots of Hraswa and 5 roots of Mahat called as Dashamula. Okay. And there are some more other called as Madhyama Panchamula, middle Panchamula. They are called as Bilva, Punarnava, Erandas, Supraparni, Dravyas. This is Mashaparni and Muddaparni. They form the Madhyama Panchamula. It is mitigate Kapha and Vata and does not generally aggravate Pitta and is a external laxative also. Then there is something called as Jivaniya Panchamula, which improves your longevity. It is made by Abhiru, Veera, Jivanti, Jivaka, Rishabhaka. They are good for eyes, aphrodisiac, and mitigate Pitta and Anila, Pitta or Vata. And last one is Trina Panchamula. Trina Panchamula is formed by Darbha, Kasha, Ikshu, Sara, and Shali. They are mainly used in mitigation of Pitta. Okay. So these are some of the Aushadha Dravyas which were told in Anna Suruti Adhyaya. I hope with this you understood the topic very properly. In case of any doubts, let's have it on the live interaction sessions. Thank you very much.